treasure hunters. I'm Ann from Ann's Attic, and today I have my Redbird for December. Redbird is a small company run by two sisters. They have several different boxes. Some can be shipped to the US, some overseas. I have Lorraine, which is $150 plus $15, so it's $165. All of the items are vintage. They range from 40s, 50s. So you fill out a survey and you tell them what you like, what you don't like, whether you want true vintage or you would accept reproduction. For the Marine box, it's just accessories. For the Lorraine, there are clothing items that can be included. It's 6 items or approximately 6 items. So, and I have been subscribing to Redbird for a while. I went, when they decided to take the Lorraine away and make it a one-time, I stopped and I was just doing scarf and the Marie, but I decided that I wanted to start doing the Lorraine. I no longer get the Marie or the scarf subscription. They do a photographs on Instagram, and then they do a video. You can request items. You're not guaranteed that you'll get your requests, but they try. Anyway, so I'm gonna grab my Redbird box and let's see what items I've got for December. And here is my Redbird box. Okay, here is the box. Nice pink tissue paper. Looks like we've got a Redbird sticker. Let's see what is in my box. I did the requests at the beginning of the month, so I don't remember what I requested. Here is my bundle. Looks like my flare piece is a scarf. Set it aside. They always include a note. And mine says, Ann, I hope you absolutely love your box. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please reach out and let me know. Thank you, Sarah. And then the front tells you, and I'll hold it, what each box is. So they have, like I said, the Lorraine. My box includes 6 items, 2 items of clothing and 4 accessories. The Marie, if you get that, it's 4 accessory items. You can do a one-time accessory box, and then they do the scarf pack, which includes 3 scarves. And then the one of the things, if things have a little bit more wear, so it says, do you happen to have more items in your box? Yay, extras, freebies. Sometimes that happens if we feel that one or more of your items has a little bit more wear than we typically like to send out. So, and accessories come in a little pouch. This looks like a burlap with lace on it, a little bit of sparkle. Here is my scarf, the flare piece. So sometimes they'll include jewelry that is kind of maybe a spare earring or something that doesn't have a match. Or so this one is a really big scarf. We've got Looks like it's got a compass. It's nautical themed. Ladies know that I love nautical or something that has to do with sailing and or military. This bundle. Ooh. We have a little plaid shirt. Very nice. This is definitely me, and I don't remember if I requested it or not. So there is that. And then, ooh, we have another plaid shirt, and it looks like, yes, looks like it has a tie to it. I'm guessing that's probably something going down, and I don't know if this was a request or not, but I do like it. And then last but not least, we have a dress, shirtwaist. This looks like it's probably from the 80s, but it definitely has a vintage retro style that I like to wear. So very, very nice. Includes that. I often find that the belts they get lost so easily. Let's see what is in my pouch. Of course, my fingers are not working today. Okay. We have, ooh, I think this was a request. It is a brooch. What a rose looks like. The base is gold. I normally don't wear gold, but this is absolutely, that is gorgeous. So that is amazing. Absolutely love this. There is one here. Oh, yes. Love cameos. So I will often wear, this also has a gold outline. I love, love, love cameos. Here is that. Love this. That is gorgeous. I will sometimes wear steampunk or Victorian jewelry, so, or costuming. There is my cameo. That is awesome for sure. I'd have to go back and look. Oh, this is it's also another gold, but it's a little micro mosaic. That is gorgeous. I absolutely love the colors in that. And there's that. That is gorgeous. I mean, it does have the gold around it, but it just, that one I can deal with because it's minimal. That is a gorgeous little piece. Ooh. Well, those are super. So these are clip-ons, which I don't mind. They are also gold-backed, no, silver-backed, with a blue stone. There's a darker stone in the middle. That is very pretty. That's very pretty. Love those. Just an absolutely amazing box. These just do such a fantastic job of picking things up and knowing what your style is. Oh, yeah, I think this was also a request. A little silver backed, and there is the colors to it. So it is a red or darker stone on the outside, and blues and pinks. I absolutely love that brooch. That is absolutely gorgeous. Two more. This is silver based, and it is a necklace. Let's see if I can get to focus on the pendant. So it's silver based with stones in the middle. It looks like red and some blue. It's got all sorts of just colorful stones in the middle. Oop. Definitely up my alley. I do like more dainty or simpler jewelry. This is also there's the back, and there is the brooch, not the brooch. There is the brooch. That is absolutely gorgeous. It looks like it's got a purple stone. Got two smaller purple stones on there, and then the center purple stone. I love all these pieces. They are absolutely amazing. I am going to try on the clothing for you and let you see what that looks like. So I worked at home today and a little bit more casual. So this is my outfit for the day. I got this either from, I think this was a Stitch Fix or Wantable, I don't remember which one, but it's just a red, almost like varsity sweatshirt, and then I'm wearing some jeans and my saddle shoes, and I'm going to go ahead and try the clothing on for you. here is blouse number 1 out of my box, high color. We have pastels, a little bit of metallic running through. The sleeves can be tied up, creating kind of a reversed tulip sleeve. This will be fantastic for fall. Let's see. Undo. Here is the sleeve untied. Here is the sleeve tied. I don't know. I was thinking that I like them. I think I like it untied. So it's more of a little cap sleeve. Same for this. So I don't know. What do you think? Think tied or untied? And here is the back. And then here is the collar. And it goes all the way up. I think it's darling. I love it. It is definitely me. I just have to decide whether I like it untied, tied. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Whether I should leave it tied or untied. It gives me so many possibilities. I'm gonna head and try on the next blouse for you. Okay, here is the second blouse. We've got yellows to greens and reds. This could be for autumn. I would also consider wearing it now because of the greens and reds for Christmas time. Open, I like the open collar. Let's go see if we can find the little scarf. Okay, and I have added in the little necktie to the shirt. Gives me kind of a different, something else to add. I think I prefer it without. I might use this possibly. Let's see if we can use it as a headscarf or yeah, I could use it as a headscarf too. I like that. Or if I were to wear, if I had a ponytail, I could wear it as a bow in my ponytail. I definitely like this shirt. This is definitely me. I love it. Thank you, ladies. I've got one more piece of clothing, and that is the dress. So I'll be back to show the try on for that. Okay, here is the dress. It is hitting me just in my calves. Short sleeved, puffed, has a lacy ruffle collar. Here is the back. It's puffed sleeves. If I were to wear it for 40s, I probably would shorten it to about knee length for war era. I could probably get away with it longer later in the 40s. I would also take the wider belt and put maybe a white narrower belt on it. It's got mother of pearl buttons. It is definitely me. It fits like a glove. I love it. You ladies have just hit it out of the park. As usual, Redbird Vintage is an amazing company. Absolutely go ahead if you've got the funding to support these ladies' small business. Highly recommend. What do you think? What pieces of the jewelry did you like? What pieces of clothing did you like? Leave me a comment below and let me know. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. Like and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will catch you later. Bye, treasure hunters.